everybody, this is Bill, and here's your weekend update. Well, we had a decent swing trade pick for the week. Last week it was Yelp. I think Yelp was Thursday's pick or Friday's pick, I don't remember. But anyway, we got the pick here, or we got the signal, and the entry was the breach of the low here, and ended up with almost over a point in profit on that particular swing trade right there. So that worked out really nice for us, and that was Yelp, YELP, and I believe it was Thursday's pick from the swing trade service. So that worked out really nice. Now let's look onto the broader market here. Let me get rid of the tool here. Alright, as you can see, the ES, a representation of the S&P 500, is still in the green, but has started to go a teeny bit sideways here. Right here. If you remember, I mentioned that we were concerned about the tops of these two areas right here, and it appears that we pierced that top area for one day, and then started to back off from there, although it's made a little bit of a comeback on Friday, but for the most part it looks like it hit its head up on the ceiling here and has started to back off from there. Still well above the 50 and the 200 period moving average. Last known trend was up by the trend tool, and over here on the tidal wave tool, it had momentum had begun to drop, but it is beginning to increase again here. So we'll have to see. Once, like I said, what I'm looking for is for multiple signs that the trend has reversed, which would include the Heikin-Achi bars turning red, the trend tool going negative, and the tidal wave signal also starting to paint red histogram bars. So for right now, everything's still an uptrend with a little bit of sideways bias. We still need to significantly poke through the upper resistance here, represented by these two tops, and we'll see what happens next week. Also, just wanted to look at a couple of other pieces of information here just to round out the update. Take a look at crude. Alright, crude oil is interesting. Take it from bottom to top. We are green histograms on tidal wave, pointing us to the upside. We are green on the HLB trend tool, so that's also pointing us to the upside. Green Heikin-Achi tool. We are above the 50 period moving average, and we are just going sideways and poking our head above the 200 period moving average. So it'll be interesting to see if we can breach that over time. Not necessarily good for us if we break over $100 a barrel of oil, but that's what it's looking like right now. Last but not least, let's look at gold, because gold has had some movement this week. Tidal wave signal, growing momentum to the upside. A little mixed on the trend tool here. Last known trend was down. Heikin-Achi is definitely a green, and definitely above the 50 period and the 200 period moving average. Trying to see where the next area of resistance might lie. I think the next significant resistance is approximately around 1700, 1720. So let's see where she goes from here. That's pretty much it for the weekend update. Good luck, and I will be back at you with more on the daily trade analysis starting on Monday. Bye.